The parish of Laitkor honoured and cherished the memory of late Archbishop Dominic Jala SDB DD by installing a bust of late Archbishop Dominic Jala besides the bust of late Father Snee SDB. The bust was blessed by Father Paul O. Laitkor SDB, Provincial of Shillong Province. The occasion was graced by the presence of the family members of late Archbishop Amit Mauri, priests and religious, and as well as the faithful of Laitkor. The bus was sponsored by Mr. Amit Mauri. The socio-cultural organization did all the beautification of the place. During the afternoon, there was a grand Easter celebration in which all the people of the parish took part in the traditional dances of different tribes of the Khasi Jaintia. His Grace Archbishop Victor Lingdor graced the occasion with his presence along with the MLA of Nongkrem constituency.